What is up, you all? Back with another video. This video we're shooting Nerf guns, and I got Caleb right there getting ready to shoot the Alpha Hawk. So shoot it whenever you're ready.
Oh.
You hit the target. You have to move it. Go for the other target. There you go. You gotta move it around.
It's already empty. No, it's not.
Oh, you hit a cup. Alright. So, he just shot the Alpha Hawk. Wait, I gotta set up the cups again. He just shot the Alpha Hawk. I'm gonna set up some of these cups again and we're gonna shoot again. So, I'm gonna put this right here so y'all can see what I'm doing. Oh. Dude, I thought we just cracked one right there, but it's just got like a little line that looks like it's cracked.
Oh, I think this is it right, crack it.
Oh, they'll put dents in it. I put dents in soda cans with normal Nerf darts.
Yeah.
Normal Nerf guns are pretty dang powerful. I mean, I've seen some mods of these guns, and like, people take them to the next level. Wait, bud. Ooh, that could have been bad. Oh, I see why that's where you're going. No, dude, what the heck? My trimmers are going crazy. No, we're just gonna keep it like that and put these like this. Alright.
What kind of batteries is it gonna take?
It has a rechargeable battery pack, but it takes 6 D-type batteries. So Caleb's getting ready to shoot the Chaos right now. Go ahead. Hit the cups.
Gosh dang it.
That thing came all the way back.
Alright, ready?
It has rapid fire.
Where?
It's got it shoots like rapidly.
That's the wrong thing. Where?
Like you hold it down and then if you just hold down the trigger. See?
I'm out.
Alright, now we gotta find the darts. You hold the camera this time. I'll go find it.
Your camera's really blurry, guys.
So, clear it up. Actually, come set the phone up against like one of these doors over here and help me. How many shots did you put in there?
I don't even remember.
I think it was like 11, 12. If I lose a couple, it's okay, but if I lose a bunch, then it's not. Okay, there you go. Can you see?
Yeah.
Dude, that's like perfect. Okay, I'm gonna see how good you can see it. Oh, dude, that's like perfect. Just have to move it over.
Just leave it there.
Yeah, that's all I do.
Alright, I'm gonna set up all these cups now.
You want to shoot another rifle?
Yeah, get them all out.
Alright, I'm just gonna get this other rifle out. Let's do it. You dry fired this one last night. This one? You dry fired this one last night? I'll load this up when you set up the cups and stuff.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this right behind it so that way it'll actually know if the dart goes through, then you know that you missed. Like if it goes through and it dings like that, then you know you missed.
It's a lot easier to make videos because stuff goes by quicker. There you go, sir. Oh, you still have one shot in here. dude. I sometimes. Oh wait, you still have like a couple more shots left in here. Dang. Why are you lining them all up in a circle around like that? That's good enough. You know? That's good enough.
Give me a minute.
Oh, okay. Alrighty. Are you using all these?
Wasn't planning on it.
You weren't? Right.
No, look how I got it set up though.
Alright, give me a sec. All these cups that we're not using, I'm going to move over to the side. Now, that Nerf gun is spring powered, so if we can stretch out that spring, holy crap, that thing will shoot like 146 feet per second.
Ready?
No. No, I'm ready. Alright, told you. So this is the Nerf Rival 1000 Jupiter.
Oh man.
That just went all the way under here.
One's back there by the bar. There's two back there, I think. Gosh dang it.
Don't shoot me while I'm back here. Caleb, don't. Shoot.
Ah.
I'm gonna pick up all the darts back here. You want a sight for it?
Yes.
Alright. Let me go get a sight for it. Okay, just reload it.
How do I do that?
Put this back. Or is it already shooting? Pull that back. This part is open. You put the balls in through that top part. I'm gonna hit that one that we just shot. Two. Where'd it go? It going in one of the cups? Oh, that's weird. Oh wait, no, it's right here. Alright, I'll go get a sight for you for this thing.
Was it all of them?
Not yet.
Oh, well there's this thing up here. I didn't see it.
Wait a sec. I have a stand and sight for that one.
Let me use that stand. What did you just do?
Like that.
Get off this table, like just move that one thing with balls. Let me see it.
You shot that into like one of the cups. Yeah. And it's off to the side.
Where the heck did that go to?
It went like up and around.
This is something fun to do, like you can't go outside and do nothing.
Alright, last shot. Alright, I have one more.
What the heck did I just hit?
Cup. I have one more rival. You want to shoot that one?
Yeah. I like that. That's cool. So you can kind of shoot it. Hold on. That's perfect.
Now this rival kind of sucks.
Oh, found one. Actually, I found two of them. I think I found one lost ball.
What?
I found one lost ball.
I got this one for you too. Caleb,
First.
I got this gun for you.
Alright.
Oh, sorry. I'm gonna load this up.
What gun?
That one. It's the Apollo.
Oh, this one?
No, this one.
What's this one?
Raptor Strike. You're gonna shoot the Apollo net.
Oh, I got one of these. Except blue. And red. so spraying that sucks.
It doesn't suck too bad. Alright, let me set up the cone under the cups. How much time we got left? How much time? Took it up 10 minutes of time and we've only shot 3 guns. We'll just have to make a lot of editing.
Dude, where I had this set up on the table a few minutes ago, it was just hitting that green thing like nothing.
See, the nerf sights, in my opinion, might make some nerf guns a little off-site.
Yeah, they do. Right now, I think I can shoot you right in the forehead.
Don't. That gun hurts.
Like you said, it sucks.
It can suck. It's good for, like, a close engagement.
I'll meet you on Gatorade. You want your drink?
Yeah, it's in, like, the chair. Well, upstairs is what it's in.
This?
Oh, yeah.
We came down here, remember, with their drinks and chips?
That would have been bad.
See?
Alright, I'm gonna leave it like this. And then I'm gonna put stacks of cups in front of it. Now this gun, if it hits one cup, it's probably gonna knock down like a bunch. It's pretty much kind of like a
Oh, wow, I like that. That's pretty cool. Ready?
that's like, no, you don't want to sight on that one.
Why?
Look, can you even see?
Yeah.
Give me a sec, let me pick this dart up. Go ahead. Last shot after this. Where'd it go? Back there? I didn't even see where that
You
was.
want back there?
No. That's good, I have much more parts. I'm gonna load up the next gun too. Alright. This is the last gun you're gonna shoot. I'm gonna stand for this too, I'm gonna go get it.
Shot, that's pretty good.
Alright, let me find. Alright. You come set up these cups real quick. We have 13 minutes, so we pretty much got like 2 minutes left to shoot this nerf. We'll do another video of something like this with close range weapons. And we'll do a review and then like all overview them and then can't take too long. We only got like a minute.
We'll go pause it. All you gotta do is pause it.
I'm gonna use this editing thing in a bit though, so.
This one here on the floor or up here?
Up there. So Caleb is about to shoot the Nerf Accurate Strike Raptor Strike. So it's part of the Accurate Strike series, but he's gonna shoot all this stuff down. Alright. You know it has a stand on it for a reason, bud.
Oh,
It's spring and it sucks. I need Accurate Strike darts for that. It's accurate though. It's out. It only has a 6 mag container. Alright. So you just shot that one. Which one do you want to shoot next? Not the strike. What about this? This is already loaded. You want to shoot this?
What is that?
Nerf Hyperfire?
Yeah.
Elite Series? I'm gonna set up the what's it called, cups.
So yeah, does this have chargeable battery thing too?
It takes 4D batteries. He's shooting the Hyperfire Elite this time. Hold on. Shoots through the mag pretty quick, doesn't
Gosh
it?
dang, yeah, it did. That's shocking.
Alright, so I think I'm going to end off the video here. I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Did you just hit the wall for your